Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I share my secrets for trading binary options. Today I will be revealing an amazing strategy that can help you boost your chances of success. But before we dive in, I have one quick request. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I guarantee you won't find such detailed and helpful guides anywhere else. And don't forget about my Telegram channel. Message me there for even more valuable insights. And let's start trading together, guys. Let's make this journey into the world of trading exciting and profitable.
So, we are on the broker, and with a balance of $30, we will start growing our deposit today. We will open trade on 1 minute time frame, and I have already selected the most optional currency pairs based on movement and payout percentage. Today we'll be trading with Bollinger Bands, the Stochastic oscillator and the Fractal. I have already set up the indicators. This combination works really well together. And today we will focus on pullbacks, trend following moves, and we will also be able to trade well in flat market conditions. For the Bollinger Bands, we use a period of 13 with an deviation of 2. Leave the Fractal with default settings and use two stochastic oscillators, one with a period of 7 and the other with a period of 15. The overbought and oversold areas are set to 20 and 8 for both stochastics. I propose to begin trading now, and as we go along, you will understand how to use this strategy correctly and how to open trades. Let's get started with $50 trade, which is half of my starting balance. I'll select the first currency pair for optional entry. Here we will open a sell position. It's a good entry point. Let's define the working area. First, we see the upper Bollinger Band has been touched. And it wasn't just a touch, it was an update of our local maximum. Therefore, the price should now pull back. The first candle went into a pullback. Then we saw another upward impulse. But this impulse actually increased the likelihood of the trade being profitable, as the movement should still go down. This is because we see the exit from the overbought area on both of our oscillators. Let's see how it plays out. And the first trade closes in profit. As I said, the price went further down in correction, and we secured a positive trade. When you see this combination of indicators, this is the right time to open a sell position. I think you understood that. Now let's lock in buy trade and pick the next currency pair. Now let's open a buy position here. We'll also define the working area. We are opening this trade in a correction. Notice we see an exit from the oversold area on both of our oscillators. And we have an update of the local minimum by the Fractal, plus the touch of the lower Bollinger Bands. So we are opening a buy position. When you see this combination of indicators, you open a buy trade. I think you have got that now. Let's watch the result of our second trade. And the second trade closes in profit. We almost lost it when impulse came down, but we saw the price action and everything became clear. Now let's review another entry, and I will pick the next currency pair. Let's review a different entry point now. We'll look at the touch of the middle Bollinger Band. We are interested in the movement inside the channel. So let's highlight the working area. We see that after the upward movement, a correction took place. The local minimum was updated, and the middle Bollinger Band was touched. In this case, we always open trades in the direction of the trend, no matter whether it's a downward or upward trend. Let's see the result. The trade closes in profit. When you see this type of movement and this combination of indicators, you open a buy trade. Let's now look for an opportunity to open a sell trade and pick the next currency pair. Let's open another sell trade here to confirm the result. We will highlight the working area again. Here we are focusing on inside channel movement. We see an upward movement. The local maximum has been updated. The price went into a correction, and the local minimum is about to be updated by the fractal. We open based on the direction of the movement, in this case to the upside. And the trade closes in profit again. I hope you understood how to work with these signals. Now let's open a sell trade using the same principle, and we'll pick the next currency pair. Now let's open a sell position here. This entry is a bit different because I couldn't find a signal that touches the middle Bollinger Band. But overall, this is 100% signal according to the strategy. We see a touch of the upper Bollinger Band. The local minimum should be updated, and then the price should go into a pullback. Both oscillators are about to exit the overbought area, so we open a sell position here. So let's watch the movement. And the trade closes in profit. It was pretty straightforward. This was the basic principle of the strategy. Opening a buy trade earlier and now opening a sell trade. I remember I promised to show you a sell trade based on the middle Bollinger Band principle. I haven't forgotten. We will make that happen. Let's continue with our analysis and pick the next currency pair. I want to open a sell trade here. This currency pair looks good. We have a nice touch point, and we can highlight the resistance area and the breakout level. Also, we can see that the perfect touch has occurred. The local maximum should be updated, and the price has touched the upper Bollinger Band. Now we open a sell position here. We also see the upcoming exit from the overbought area on both oscillators. So let's watch the result. And the trade closed in profit in the last few seconds. We saw how the candle gave an impulse. And I said that the best entry would have been at the end of the candle's wick. But we got a little lucky. I agree, but we closed the trade in profit. And as they say, luck favors the strong. Yeah, we are the strong ones. Let's continue trading and pick the next currency pair. Let's open two trades worth $1,204. Now I am ready to open a sell position in the direction of the trend. The trend is downward, and I have already learned from the last trade. As we know, market movement changed every day, so we have a good touch point here. It's similar to the previous trade with the touch of the upper Bollinger Band. We expect the local maximum to be updated, and both oscillators will exit the overbought area. So let's see how this plays out. And trade closed in profit. It was easy again. The price pulled back, and we had a good entry point, as I said, of course. So we locked in the profit. Let's change the amount of our trades. We'll set $1,000 and open two trades worth $2,000. Let's continue and pick the next currency pair. Here we'll open a buy trade using this price channel principle. Let's highlight the breakout level. This is an ideal touch point for the price channel. This area acts as resistance, but for this price channel, it's support. We're going to trade based on that. We can also see the exit from the oversold area on our stochastic oscillators. So guys, let's see the result of our trades. And our strategy didn't let us down. 2 lock in the result. Let's open 4 trades worth $4,000. I'll try to find an entry for a sell position based on the middle Bollinger Band bounce principle. Let's try to find that entry and continue with the analysis. Let's open a sell trade here. The middle Bollinger Band has been broken and we are opening this trade in the downward direction. The trend is very strong right now. Let's identify good touch points. We see that previous price corrections reached these levels. So after the breakout, we can open a sell trade. We also see an upcoming exit from the overbought area on the upper stochastic. Let's watch the movement. And the trade closed in profit again. No problems here. I agree, there was a crossover of the moving average. But this was the same entry principle as you saw. I'm going to wrap up trading now and move to the withdrawal. Let's choose a wallet. $7,450 will be today's total. The withdrawal operation is successfully completed. This was a very interesting and at times intense trading day. But despite the unpredictable volatility, I am very happy with the result. Make sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this strategy. And don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram and YouTube channels and hit that like button. Thank you all for watching and see you next time.